Hi family, I could not believe this at first. A simple kitchen ingredient that can double your hair growth speedily in weeks. So I tried it myself and the results were instantly. So guys, on today I am sharing exactly how to make this powerful green pepper treatment that is not only grows hair like crazy but also stops hair loss faster. I am about to show you a hair growth recipe so powerful. You will start questioning why you do not try it sooner. Just one ingredient, a few moments of your time, and your hair could start growing faster than you will ever imagine. So let's make this green pepper treatment together. But do not skip a second because one tiny mistake could ruin it. So to prepare it, you need one medium size of your green pepper. So first of all, you need to wash the green pepper very clean to remove the impurities and dirty on it. After washing it, we need the help of knife and a bowl to slide the green pepper into a small pieces for the next process. After slicing it, this is what we have so far. Next thing is to transfer it into a blender. We'll be needing blender for this, but if you don't have blender, do not worry. There's another way you can extract out the juice. Okay, so next thing I add on it is my gloves, because I choose to add gloves on it because gloves have your own powerful in our hair growth. Okay, you can choose to add gloves, you can choose to leave gloves, so the option is yours. So I add about 20 pieces of gloves. I transfer into my blender that contain my green pepper. Next thing is add a little water on it, and the water I'm using is warm water. Okay, so after adding a little water on it, I went off camera to blend it into a smooth paste. After blending it, I bring my bowl and my sheaf cloth to extract out the juice. So it's very necessary you use something that have very tiny hole, like your wig cap, your stockings, your sheaf cloth. Okay, so that you not have any particles, residues of this green pepper and the gloves, if at all you're using gloves. Okay, so to use my sheaf cloth is the best, so that I will get pure juice of my green pepper. Okay guys, this recipe is ready to be used. This how greenish the juice is. Guys, this treatment is very powerful. I'll be sleeping on it. I don't know that this treatment can transform my hair the way it does. This treatment is mind-blowing, guys. There is no joke. Okay, so I bring my spray bottle to transfer to my spray bottle for easy application. Then let's move into the step of applying it in our hair. Before, I'll take you step by step on how to apply this treatment on your hair for that good results. Let's first of all talk about the benefit of this green pepper, because before I start applying it on my hair, I carry my research, and this is what I find out about green pepper. Green pepper is packed with vitamin C and A, which helps in strengthening hair strands and reduce breakage. It also stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, deliver nutrients to the hair roots, faster and healthy growth. Its antioxidant properties fight scalp infections and the oxidative stress that can cause hair fall. Green pepper is full of natural moisture and essential nutrients which help keeps hair hydrated and shining. Regular use can minimize split ends by maintaining hair elasticity. So these are the benefits to be gotten on using green pepper on your hair. Is mind-blowing, right? Yes, it is. I'm even very shocked when I find out these wonderful benefits in using green pepper in our hair. So now let me take you step by step on how to use this treatment to achieve all these wonderful benefits and all these wonderful results in your hair. Okay, so first of all, a lot of us will be wondering, are we washing it out or are we leaving it in our hair? Yes, we are not leaving it in our hair. we are washing it out. Okay, so what I just do now, I'm using it as my pre-conditioner. Pre-conditioner is applying it on your wash day after shampoo your hair. Just follow all with these treatments. Massage your scalp, cover it up for 1 hour. After 1 hour, rinse it off and deep condition your hair. But in this case, my hair is clean. Okay, I just washed my hair 2 days ago, okay, before I prepared this treatment. Okay, so second way to use it, you can also use this as your pre-poo. Okay, pre-poo is a product you apply on your hair first before you can shampoo your hair. Okay, so but these are the 2 ways you can use this treatment, either pre-poo or pre-conditioner. But the best way to get that best result faster is to use this as your pre-conditioner. Why I recommend pre-conditioner? Because it have already shampooed your hair, and secondly, your scalp and the strands of your hair are super clean, are super open to collect any product you apply on them and make that product penetrate deeply into your scalp and into your hair strand, so that it can have good results with that product. Okay, so but if you apply it as your pre-poo, that means your hair is dirty, your scalp is clogged with dirty products, your strands of your hair are dirty, they are clogged with product, they are filled up with products, meaning this treatment will not really penetrate deeply on your hair and you will not get that good result. To be honest with you, you will not get that good result. So if you really want to get that faster results with this green pepper treatments, I will recommend for you to use it on a pre-condition. Okay, so you can use it on a pre-conditioner every of your wash day, and believe me, you get a whole best result on that. So you can also apply it on your hair immediately and follow up with your deep condition also. I also use it this way. I also use it by applying it on my hair. After applying it on my hair, I follow up with my deep condition and cover my hair like 1 hour, and I will rinse it off together with the deep condition. I will go ahead and moisturize my hair. Okay, so these are the best way to use it on your hair for that faster results. So you'll be wondering how many times can you use it for that best result. And like as I said, use it on your wash days. So if you're washing your hair once in a week, use it. If you're washing your hair once in 2 weeks, use it. But if you want to treat your hair faster, if you want to see that faster effect with it, I would recommend for you to use it once in a week, okay, or twice in a week, okay, for that faster result. But whenever I use it on your hair, after rinsing it out, make sure you moisturize your hair, okay, because you not be deep condition your hair every once in a week or 2 times in a week. Okay, so just deep condition your hair on your full wash day routine. Okay, so guys, I hope you have learned so much on this green pepper. I hope you find this video very helpful. I hope you have learned how to use this powerful, effective green pepper treatments to achieve some wonderful hair growth results. Okay, so let me know in comment section below, have you used it before on your hair? Have you tried green pepper before on your hair? If you have, please let me know in comment section below. And also if you have not, also let me know in comment section below. Okay, and also please, if you have not joined this wonderful, beautiful family, please do well to click on that subscribe button. And once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube notify you whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Okay, and also please help me to like this video. Is very, very important to me. It helps the growth of the channel, and also it motivates me a lot to bring out more great videos for you guys. Okay, lastly, please help me to share this video to your loved ones. Okay, for those that are looking for natural remedy to solve their hair problem, to grow their hair. Okay, it will be very helpful to them out there. Okay, thank you guys for your support, and also for always coming back to watch my videos. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.